Why is your nose so dirty? Yeah, no. This is Dad's peanut butter and jelly. It's not the neatness. No, I'm gonna say it, but I like that I have your undivided attention. You know, your fan base will really appreciate your pretty face. They will. And of course, you're a very cute beggar. Yes, you are. What would you do? Well, I know you would speak. Oh yeah? What you got to say? For a little bite of my PB&J. Look, I'm gonna take a bite. It's good. You want a piece? Hey, yeah. Oh, okay. Hold on there. Hold on there. Let's see if we can get this. Oh, hold on. Okay, yeah, bite for you. Good. You like that? PB&J's good stuff. For a dirty nose dog. So, did you find any buried treasure? Because, we could use that. Maybe go dig up some subscribers. Yeah, we could use some too, yeah. And, hey, what's your name? Okay, it's Nina, yeah. Okay, good job. And, one more little bite there. Okay, hey, there's a piece of peanut butter on my, hey, Nina. That's my thumb. Good job, guys. Minnie? Minnie Mouse? Hey, can you, hey, yo, pay attention here. Hey, can you tell our subscribers we need some more? We need some likes and some subscribes and stuff, yeah. Guess not. Huh? Okay. Deuce? Hey. Deuce. What do you say? What does the deuce say? What does the deuce say?